Hey guys, what's going on? So for today, I will walk you through a fix if you find that there's no music results found in Instagram story. So let's start. Now, first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Let's tap on the plus icon here to post a story. So let's take a random snap in here. Click on the sticker icon on the upper side of the screen. And here, click on music. So if you are in a situation where there is no music found for you, one easy fix for you is to go to your phone settings, scroll down to apps, and search for Instagram. Scroll down to storage and click on clear cache. So this is going to reset your Instagram and this should resolve the issue. So thank you so much for watching guys and see you next time.